I'm going to show you this free app that I made with AppSheet to track all of my to-do items. Now there's a lot of to-do apps out there, but none of them quite fit me. So I just made one myself, and I didn't use any code to make this app that I'm about to show you. Also, just want to point out that I have some courses to teach you how to create this exact application and others like it through AppSheet. Just click the link in the description. So let me show you a little bit about how this app works and how I built this out, and show you a little bit about AppSheet. Okay, so this page right here I made to just have all of my different categories of things that I'm working on, and then have all the items there so I can just kind of see what I have on my plate. I don't like to tackle things in like a super systematic way, so I like to just kind of have them up there. Some things are just kind of like weird experimental things, like I'm just like estimating how much it would cost to make a mushroom growing operation, like a farm, just for fun, just to see what that's like. What that's like, I don't know, I'm weird. Unpack everything in my house from my move, because I still haven't unpacked everything and I'm months into my move. So anyhow, I have over here a stats dashboard. So this just has like all the items that are completed and then all the ones that are still left to be done. So I see how much I have like on my plate, like pending. And then I have like my distribution of effort. So these are the categories that I've set up. So I have like mostly educational and professional and personal stuff. I have a little bit of experimental stuff, and then I have almost nothing that's like in both categories. So that's kind of cool. And then I have my overall stats. So this shows like how many things that I've done over like a course of like a month. Like this month I got like a lot of stuff done, and you see that it on average takes me 41 days to actually complete a task. So that's actually, I'd like to get that number down. So I sort of use this here as a metric, like why does it take me a month to finish each thing that I have on here? But as you can see, hey, I had 32 things that I've completed since I started. So, progress is progress, right? So let me go ahead and show you a little bit about how this is built and like what AppSheet is. So AppSheet is a free software that was pretty much acquired by Google to do all sorts of apps for a million different things, right? You can go check out all of the different possibilities for AppSheet. But what I did with it is I got in here and was like, oh, let me just make a to-do app, because that's a pretty easy project, and I'll just work on that. So they have all of the UI, all of the data stuff. It works right into Google Sheets. Has all the columns and rows there. I can do formulas to determine, all of the different things that I want to happen in my data, to create all the effects that I want. And all you have to do is know a little bit about data and just play around. This is a really easy platform to use. It's really easy to learn as well. The learning curve is pretty short, and I've learned a variety of ways to build apps, including fully coding them, like full stack web applications, which is like, I think like the hardest end of the spectrum. And then like this is like the easiest end of the spectrum. So this is an app, I can pull it right up on my phone, and I'll actually show you on my phone right now. Let me pull up AppSheet just to show you. Probably not gonna be able to see through the webcam very well, but I could pull it up on my phone and use it every day for free. So I don't actually even have to have this app be deployed, which is really cool. I can just pull it up on my phone. I submit my own data, and all of the data is in a Google Sheet that I just have. So you can kind of see right there. So I literally just use it just like that, same as you would any other app, right? I just click the icon and just pull it up, and I can roll through it. It's all mobile friendly. It works right on my iPhone. It can work on your Android. It can do whatever it can work on any smartphone platform just fine. So this is a super great technology for you to learn for like yourself, if you just want to make a super sick to-do app like this, or if you want to make something for your business, or you want to make something for your company or organization. Super useful. And I teach my courses through Skillshare, and I'll put a link below. You can go over there, test out the course, see how you like it. It shouldn't take that long for you to work through. I make my classes like really short and effective. We just do like little projects. So anyhow, go hit the link in the description if you want to check that out. Also going to have different stuff discussed about AppSheet on my channel here moving forward, and in the past, just go check my videos out and you'll see that stuff. So thanks for watching. If you're interested in that, do that. Please throw this video a like or subscribe if you want to just follow my content and see what else I have coming out. And thanks for coming by. Have a good one.